Combining the gentle yet effective nature of salicylic acid with the biodegradable jojoba beads, the Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Mask is an excellent way to improve oily and acne-prone skin and sun-damaged aged skins. This exfoliating clay mask helps to remove excess oil and impurities from the skin. The Clear Cell Clarifying Salicylic Mask uses 2% salicylic acid, which helps to remove the excess oil from the skin and also to clear the clogged pores. And the result is a skin that looks fresh and revitalized. Now, it does use biodegradable jojoba beads, and combining them with glycolic acid, it smooths away the dead skin cells, and it's really gentle, but they're so easily removed from the skin surface. Then there's a blend of botanical extracts which enhance that smoothness even further. Another key ingredient is kaolin, which is a natural clay and is able to actually draw the impurities from those now unclogged pores and can also absorb any excess oil. Beautiful, invigorating, natural tea tree scent. It is such a heavenly mask to use, and it really leaves the skin soft and fresh, but also with a matte finish. Now, you could use this mask 1 to 3 times a week on clean skin. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water and wait to see the result. Now, you can get your Clear Cell Clarifying Salicylic Mask at skinmark.com.au.